Hey, everyone, this question is looking very simple, but most of the students solve it in the way that 77 divided by 11 times 7 is 77. So 77 divided by 77, their answer will be 1, but it is wrong method. According to PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division. Here division and multiplication both are involved, but what will be the first operation? PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, the function which is at left will be performed first. So we have to perform division first. So first of all, 77 divided by 11 is equal to 7 times 7. So 7 times 7, answer will be equal to 49. Thank you.